Salutations and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel! Alright guys, so today we have all these medium lizards here. We have the Postosuchus from Primal Attack. I'm not even sure anymore where this thing is from. Which series is. I totally forgot. There's a DNA scan. It's a classic one, doesn't have a variant yet. And we have a Dino trackers, Prestosuchus. Push this thing, it chomps. Where's the DNA scan? Right there. How do you pull it? There you go. Alright guys, and we have the epic evolution Kaprosuchus. There's the DNA scan. This one has a feature. You push it down, it chomps. You go, you just put your shoulders down, it bites. Push it down. This one doesn't have. This one's really rare, you can't find this anymore. They're super expensive when you find it. If you go to eBay or I don't know, online, but this two, you can still find them somewhere. This one, I don't know, maybe a Walmart there is. But of course, we're discussing this, guys, because of the really rare, newly released RAUISUCHus, a danger pack from Jurassic World Chaos Theory. Okay guys, danger pack. So we got this yesterday when we went out. We went to Walmart and we saw 3 of these guys. So I snatched 3 of them. I saw 2 of these guys, the Dimorphodon. Okay, we have them already. We could complete the wave 4 for the danger pack Chaos Theory. Alright, let's open it up. Let's check it out. Alright guys, let's check it out. I got a rusty blade here. Hopefully it works. Can't find the newer ones. Oh. Okay. Nice. Let's put that aside. Let's check it out. There's nice sharp horns over there in the back of its tail. If you look at it closer, that's a good looking lizard right there. Really rare. It's hard to these things are hard to find. You go to eBay, they're so expensive. But I guess I got this at what, a Walmart, like for $8 only, guys, plus tax, so it's like $9, almost 10. But anyways, yeah, it can move the head, can turn, swivel right there. Let's compare to the Postosuchus, almost the same. I'm pretty sure these guys are related. The RAUISUCHus, see? The Prestosuchus is kind of different. It's got a bigger head. Compared to the Kaprosuchus, it's got a lot of teeth right there. All those tusks coming out. Look at that, huh? Danger packs don't have any features. They don't open up. So, yep. There's the DNA scan for you guys. Yeah, you can pause that and scan it. So, there you have it. No sharp. Has a little sharp claw in it, too. Not that sharp, though. Unlike the Kaprosuchus here, there's like many spikes on its arms and the back of its leg. Look at that, huh? It's the only one who has that. But this one has spikes on the back of its tail. Meanwhile, this guy's don't. You can tell this guy's a swimmer. Look at that, it has fins on its back. It's a good swimmer. Okay, so here's another one right there we got. And another one. Isn't that great? Huh? That is sick, guys. We got 3 of them now. One of these guys I'm gonna paint. I'm gonna custom paint it to look different. So yeah. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video. Alright guys, next video will be the epic attack Tyrannosaurus. That's supposed to be today, but of course I got excited for this guy. RAUISUCHus. Alright guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like. Thank you so much. You have a great week. Alright guys. Ciao for now. Thank you. Bye.